Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by a student. This is a kind of a classic algebra question. You'll see this in Algebra 1, you'll see it in Algebra 2, and you'll see it on the ACT and SAT standardized tests. So this is good stuff here, and we'll run through this for you. Okay, so let's start with this equation of the line. We need to find the slope here. So I'm just going to copy it out here. X minus 2y equals 6. And I'm just going to switch the locations of the 6 and the 2y. So this becomes x minus 6 is equal to 2y. Hopefully that's okay with you. I just moved the 2y over here by adding 2y to both sides. I moved the 6 to the left side by subtracting 6 from both sides. And now I'll divide by 2. So I'm going to get 1/2 x minus 3 equals y. So now we're in slope-intercept form. And you can see that the slope of this line is 1/2 and the y-intercept is -3. So I'm just going to make a note of the slope here. So that's our first line. Now let's take a look at the other line. So we have another line that it goes through -6, -8. And we want it to be parallel to this first line, and so the slope here must be the same. You have to have the same slope if you want to be parallel. So now we need to get the equation of this new line, the parallel line. Now there are two ways to do this, and you could do it either way. Now most teachers are going to want you to use the point slope method. And so I'm going to start with that one. Point slope form of the equation. And you need to memorize this, so I'm going to put it in red. So it's y minus y1 equals m, which is the slope, x minus x1. And you can see, I'm going to label it up here just so we don't confuse ourselves. That's x1, y1 up here. And of course this is m here. So I'm going to continue with this. So it's going to be y plus 6, because it's y plus 8 rather, sorry. This is y minus -8 equals 1/2 and x plus 6. And we'll distribute that half, so I'm going to get y plus 8 is equal 1/2 x plus 3. And I'll subtract 8 from both sides, and I'll get y equals 1/2 x minus 5. So that's the equation of the line that's parallel to this first one and goes through -6, -8. So you could do point slope form, or you see I ended up here in slope intercept form, and so we'll do that version. Some people don't like the point slope form. I don't know. I like it because it's faster. And as I say, sometimes teachers will insist on it. Slope intercept form is just y is the most famous form. And it's just y equals mx plus b. Obviously, well, we know we know m here, so we can write y equals 1/2 x plus b. So now we're going to use the point, which was -6 comma negative 8. So I'll replace y with -8 equals 1/2. Replace x with -6. Oops. That's a 1 here. 1/2 times -6 plus b. We have to solve this for b. So it's -8 is equal to -3 plus b. So b is going to be equal to -5. And now we can write the equation because we know the slope and we know b now, the y-intercept. So we can write y equals 1/2 x minus 5. And you can see we end up in the same place with the same equation. A lot of times on a test or a quiz, this could be your last line. This could be all you'll need to write, and the teacher will accept this. And so that's why this point slope form of the line can really save you some steps and save you some time on a test. I went ahead and put that into the slope-intercept form, mostly so that you could just see that these two methods will get you to the same solution. But I think point slope is preferred. Okay, so that's it for this one. You really need to get good at these. You'll see these a lot this year if you're starting Algebra 1, and you'll see them again and again throughout your high school math career. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.